These are the 30 Colors Acrylic Paint Markers with dual tips designed for detailed art and creative projects. Each marker includes a fine tip for precise lines and small details, plus a brush tip that's great for coloring, lettering, and smooth strokes. I like the variety of colors included here. With 30 shades to choose from, it's easy to add highlights, outlines, or bold fills without switching tools. The acrylic paint flows evenly, which helps keep your work looking clean and consistent. These markers work on a wide range of surfaces, including rocks, wood, glass, ceramic, and more. That makes them really versatile for crafting, DIY projects, and decorative artwork. Whether you're painting rocks, customizing home decor, or working on mixed media art, they're easy to adapt. The pen-style design feels comfortable to hold, and switching between the fine tip and brush tip is quick and simple. There's no need for extra brushes or palettes, which helps keep projects neat and portable. If you enjoy crafting or detailed artwork and want an easy, all-in-one paint marker set, these 30-color acrylic paint markers are a practical and creative option.